The world is in motion. Data floods in from machines, cities, factories, energy systems, and beyond. WISE-Edge delivers before the moment slips away. This is WISE-Edge, beyond the edge, synchronizing cloud and field. Data, intelligence, action, right where it matters. Built to develop, deploy, and enable autonomous intelligence across every environment. Wind turbines respond to freezing air, stopping ice before it forms. Agriculture moves with precision, guided by data, refined by intelligence. Factories adapt, retrain, and recover before delays become disruptions. Warehouses know what's missing before anyone does. Smart cities orchestrate streets, guide traffic, connect fleets, sensing risks before it takes shape. Healthcare senses, supports, and acts. Where care can't offer delay, robots inspect high-voltage grids, preventing failures before they cascade. Intelligence crafted with purpose. Precision engineered before action unfolds. Models trained in the cloud, activated at the edge. WISE-Edge orchestrates the future of autonomous AI. And these are just the beginning. With WISE-Edge, any field can become intelligent. Every industry can reimagine what's possible. Every node, every age. Built by creators, trusted by doers. This is the intelligence that moves industries. Edge computing and WISE-Edge in action.